During the course of the match, each team will be taking a CA card from the timeout of your community. Watch out for the signal of umpire.
Orang full nama kau lena.
The teams getting to use the impact
Foto di kena kakak. Hah?
of the substitutes. Spectators are reminded, do not bother going to the tailgating at any time. Anyone who brings the tailgating and get a resolution, it can go for cooperation.
Ini apa? Jom kakak kita lihat apa? Persebaya.